Sounds of the following pictures. Then you're gonna stick to its corresponding sound. Okay? So what do you call this, Maxine? This is an name. What do you call this one?
Makan ko M.
Oh, what do you call this one?
Makan ko M.
Oh, ant. Okay. Ant. Say, follow me. Ant. Okay, where is ant there? Ant. Okay, you're gonna stick the ant to its beginning. Okay, beginning sound. That's okay na. Oh, sige. Ako na siya sa stop sa Sophie. Stick. Yay! Very good. Say, another, this one. What do you call this one? Orange. Oh. Say, orange. Okay. Find O. Find letter O. Where's the letter O here? Oh! Asa O? Wow! Here's the letter O. Orange. Another one. What do you call this one? What do you call this?
Apple.
Oh, apple. You stick the apple. Okay, this one is say
Avocado.
Oh, find the It's not E. Find the I want the Yes, here's the Avocado. Another one. What is this? What do you call this one? Name this one. Say later na. This one. What do you call this one?